Gold's Gym must find the right mix of global integration and national responsiveness in the Israeli market. International strategy. The international strategy, the pressure for local responsiveness as well as the global integration are low. What they do is aim to achieve efficiency by focusing on local market activities and also adaptation. There's little adaptation to products with regards to local needs. Multi-domestic strategy. Multi-domestic strategy is high on local responsiveness and low on global integration. They want to meet local needs through customization, and local businesses are treated as separate businesses. So it's easy for them to adapt to each business within each individual country. Global strategy. Global strategy is low for local responsiveness and high for global integration. It's highly centralized and they're taking advantage of economies of scale. They want to be efficient and there's little sharing of expertise. Products are standardized as far as an economy of scale. Transnational strategy. Transnational strategy is high for both local responsiveness and global integration. Hard to achieve. They want to maximize local responsiveness and their wide sharing of expertise such as technology. Recommendation for Gold's Gym is to implement a multi-domestic strategy because that will be the best way for them to take advantage of entering into the Israeli market with other people and able to take over their competitors as such. Entry mode, alternatives and recommendations. A wholly owned subsidiary. Gold's Gym will maintain full day-to-day operations, which is good so that like there's the cons, more risk and expense involved, but you will keep other businesses from taking over your business. Mergers and acquisitions. Gold's Gym would have the ability to expand its resources such as money. It would also be able to get more equipment and things of that sort relatively quickly. Cons, it would have to take on problems of an Israeli business, any debt that they had, or merging of the cultures of the companies. Licensing, gain knowledge through business operations more efficiently, but also restrictions could be imposed on the licensee of the business. Franchising, you can gain intellectual property as well as expertise relatively quickly, but con, you must abide by strict rules and regulations of the franchisor. Alliances, business could share resources, but if a disagreement arises, then that can cause problems and the relationship can deteriorate very quickly. Make easier transition. Joint ventures make easier transition into the Israeli market by pairing up with an Israeli partner. Con, once again, with a disagreement with an Israeli business partner, you can lose your share of the business. Recommendation, I recommend for Gold's Gym to proceed ahead with the joint venture. It would be the best way for them to enter into the Israeli marketplace.